In today's digital marketplace, selling products on Amazon has become increasingly competitive. With millions of sellers vying for customers' attention, standing out from the crowd and boosting your sales can seem like an uphill battle. However, with the right strategies and tools at your disposal, you can elevate your Amazon business to new heights of success. Enter AMZ Product Launcher, a comprehensive platform designed to help Amazon sellers like you maximize their sales potential. By leveraging the power of AMZ Product Launcher strategies, you can take your Amazon business to the next level and achieve unparalleled success. One of the key strategies offered by AMZ Product Launcher is comprehensive product research. Before you can successfully sell on Amazon, you need to identify profitable product opportunities that align with market demand. With AMZ Product Launcher's advanced research tools, you can uncover lucrative niches, analyze competitors, and pinpoint high-demand products to add to your inventory. Once you've selected your products, it's time to optimize your Amazon listings for maximum visibility and conversions. AMZ Product Launcher provides expert guidance on creating compelling product titles, informative descriptions, and eye-catching images that resonate with your target audience. By optimizing your listings according to Amazon's algorithm and best practices, you can improve your search rankings and attract more qualified buyers to your products. But the journey doesn't end there. AMZ Product Launcher also offers robust marketing and promotional strategies to help you drive traffic and sales to your Amazon listings. From targeted advertising campaigns to strategic pricing tactics, AMZ Product Launcher equips you with the tools and knowledge you need to effectively promote your products and increase your sales velocity. In addition to these core strategies, AMZ Product Launcher provides ongoing support and guidance to help you navigate every aspect of your Amazon business. Whether you're facing challenges with inventory management, logistics, or customer service, our team of experts is here to offer personalized assistance and ensure your success on Amazon. With AMZ Product Launcher, you have everything you need to supercharge your Amazon sales and achieve your business goals. By harnessing the power of our proven strategies and innovative tools, you can transform your Amazon business into a thriving enterprise that generates sustainable revenue and long-term success. For more detailed guidance, resources, and personalized support to launch and grow your Amazon business, don't hesitate to visit us, and we can help you find your first product and help launch it on Amazon. You can also simply Google AMZ Product Launcher to find us. We're here to help you navigate every step of your Amazon selling journey. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, your successful Amazon journey starts here at AMZ Product Launcher.